Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your today's or yesterday's screen time, how you can use the app on the particular time, on how much time you uh, do something on your app. So how you can see your data in your POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings, swipe down, go to digital well-being and parental control. Friends, you can see this here. It is all the apps used in like today's 1 hour and 34 minutes. Click on this and you can see this Sunday, and you can see all the apps which was used in today. This is how you can see this, and also you can see in today's yesterday, or you can see any of the day in the past days. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.